Coyotes are wonderful parents. We had the privilege of 3 pups showing up this last summer on our cameras, and the parents are in the back. You cannot see them. But these pups had the greatest time playing in water they hadn't seen before because it doesn't rain much out there on the prairie. The parents are keeping good watch over them, and the pups are having the time of their lives. We're now moving to the Endurance, deep snow. Usually the first tracks in the snow after it snowed hard will be coyote. They will also go in blizzards. This one has snow on his coat. It's cold, very cold out there. The wind didn't blow too hard. But coyote will be out. Coyote is forever enduring. A mated couple coming by. They mate for life, very loyal to each other, hunt together, and raise their young. There's a mangy one. One of the pups from the summer stayed in the area. It's the first one out in the ground blizzard, making tracks in the snow. Camera was almost covered with snow. This is very hard to see. I cannot watch it without crying, but coyote is tough, is incredibly tough. Back in the snow, the first tracks are done by a mated couple. And a fun one here, jumping across a frozen lake. Blizzard, who is out, but coyote, a thick coat on this one. He'll make it through the winter just fine. And another healthy one found a little water. As I said, there isn't much out there on the prairie. It's very dry. Back in blizzard, who is out? Coyote is out. And another mated pair coming by. So this is coyote for you. Coyote is very good for the environment. If you enjoyed this, please make a like and subscribe below. Thank you so much for watching.